Every day is a new start. When we wake up, we can do something good. Maybe yesterday was not a good day, but today is different. We can try again and do better. Sometimes we feel sad or tired, but a new day gives us hope. We can smile, talk to friends, and do things we like. Every morning we can choose to be happy. Life gives us many chances. If we make mistakes, we can try again. If something is hard, we can learn and grow. So don't be sad about yesterday. Today is a new day. Do your best and make it special. Every morning is like a new page. Make it a good one.